All right, this is whether or not you're good or bad. How's your observations out in the field? What is not code compliant in this picture as we're talking about like a laundry box? There is a major violation here. Right here, that distance right there, the where the trap is right where the dot is right now on your screen. 2 pipe diameters from there to the vent. So if you really look at this, what does that blue look like? It's really an S trap. It's a full S trap. So you have all kinds of momentum. You're just going to siphon the shit out of that trap seal right there. Again, the trap seal is from there to the trap weir. That's really your 2 to 4 inches of trap seal right there, not down in the dip. That doesn't count. It's between the weir of the trap and the top of the dip. That's where that 2 to 4 inch trap seal occurs. And if you have this going on, meow, meow, you're just sucking water right out of that trap. Everybody seems to get, if I have 1.5 inches, I'm 5 feet away. If I'm 2 inch, I'm 6 feet away. If I'm 3 inch, I'm 8 feet away. But nobody ever gets it right when we go to what's the minimum distance from a trap to its vent. But you got to know them as well. So there's really 8 in all. There are 4 maximums and there are 4 minimums for 1.5 inches, 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch. And when people don't know where the weir is, where, W-E-I-R, they don't even know where to measure from. So you got to be careful, especially in a condition like this. We're talking about a laundry box because we're limited to space. We have to violate the code or be non-compliant. No, got to figure out a different way. Where there's a will, there's a way. You figure it out, think it through, reason it through, critically think it through. Do not ever use the words, I can't do it, because then that means you don't want to process. That's it. So that was good. Full S trap, crown venting. What's the minimum distance trap to vents? Kind of get a log break on.